Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Quantum 5V power supply PCB kit so that you can use it to power your next project. Before we start, you can find all related information about the 5V power supply, such as the bill of materials, diagrams, and schematics on our documentation page. The link to the documentation is available in the description below. Before we assemble the PCB, make sure to download the bill of materials. This has all parts required to complete this project. The BOM is especially important because it contains the component reference. For example, if you have a resistor labeled R1 in the BOM, place it where it says R1 on the PCB. Once you have all the parts, you can solder them to your board. Once you have soldered together the 5V power supply, connect the power supply to the builder base. On the junction box, you will see two terminals. Connect the one labeled 5V to the 5V port on the builder base, and the one labeled ground wire to a ground port on the builder base. Next, connect a 9V battery with a cable jack adapter to the power supply. Once you do this, you are ready to turn on the power supply. If the board was assembled correctly, the LED will illuminate and the LED on the builder base will begin to blink. The adapter is not included in the BOM, but you can find it on the hardware components list on the projects page. If you want more information about this kit or other kits, you can check out our website, which will be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the rest of our videos, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification button for updates. You can also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.